Hey everybody, this is Crockett out west, and we are in the rain here in Auburn because my wife was determined to take this hike because she doesn't want to come back again. So here we are. It's called Hidden Falls. It's like a day hike area. You can see we're by here by the bathrooms right here, and it's a really nice area other than the fact that it's raining everywhere, and probably gonna get some rain on this thing. But we're all ready. We're all packed. They're all laughing. And we're ready to go. Let's do this. Mommy will get you in a sec. You are wet. You are so wet. Yes, you are wet. We're going to have to take you home here in a minute. We're not going to be able to stay like this. I'm not shivering or anything else. That's probably going to happen. Wow. Hey guys. So, that was Hidden Falls Recreational Area. Bless you. And hike. There's waterfalls that we didn't get to, the rain, the mud, everything. Bailey, just too much for us today, but we'll come back. We'll definitely come back, and a better day with definitely ample opportunity and better weather. This weather, I don't know where it came from. It hasn't been raining all the last 2 weeks, and then all of a sudden today I decided to go. It's kind of my luck. So anyway, hey guys, so the Hidden Falls Trail didn't really work out for us today, and this kind of reminds me of the Bridgeport one. That didn't work out either, so I'm pretty bummed about this. But we'll go up again. We know much more now than we did before. Hopefully it won't be raining the morning we go up. Hopefully we don't have to have a site registration account and a fee to get in there. And I'll tell you about that later. But for right now, if you go up to Hidden Falls up in Auburn on the weekend, before you go up there, you have to go onto their site, the Placer County site, look up Hidden Falls, and you have to register $4 for half the day from I think 7 till 9:30, and it was at $8 it said for the whole day there you can park. And it's a really great place, but just a bunch of small catastrophic things happened today that caused this to be a real mess. So anything you guys want to add to this stuff?
I really enjoyed it.
Yep.
I still enjoyed it.
Yep. Okay. Well, the girls are being really nice because they know how bad I was feeling all the way down. So anyway, we'll try it again next time. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to subscribe and you want to make sure you get all our videos, make sure you ring that little bell at the end too, because that makes sure you'll get notifications for every video we do. So stay loose, stay cool, keep hiking, and thanks a lot for watching.